Hello everyone, welcome to our new session on transportation and assignment model. Today we will learn a maximization problem of an assignment. So what we have to do, simple, in assignment problem, one example is given. A captain of cricket team has to allot a 5 middle over batting order position to the 5 batsmen batting for selection, and the average run scored by each batsman at these positions are summarized in table. So here in table 5 batsmen are there and 5 positions are there. So using assignment model we have to determine that on which positions we assign a batsman to get maximum runs in favor of team. So what we have to do here, in last lecture we did one assignment problem. In that problem what we have to do, simple, we have to make one zero in respective row and column and give the assignment on that zero, and that all problem are minimizations. Today we will learn a maximization problem. So what we have to do, simple, we have to do same table we have to take here. So what is the steps? So in batting positions all the values over here are a maximum value. So what we have to do, among all values we have to take a maximum value over here, that is 40, 46, 48. Among all the values 49 is a maximum value here. So what we have to do, convert above table into the minimization table. So for minimization table what we have to do, simple, take a 49 as a maximum number and subtract from all the values, so we can get minimization table. So here 49 is a maximum value, over here same, the 49 is a maximum value. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 49 from the other values, so we can get as table below. So 49 minus 40, that is 9, 49 minus 46, that is 3, 49 minus 48, that is 1, 49 minus 36, that is 13, 49 minus 48, that is 1. This table shows the minimization table. So what is the next step? Next step we have to do in assignment problem, that we have to take a minimum value of the respective row and subtract that value from the others. So next we have to do in rule number 1, row reduction. So what we have to do, minimum value is 1, we have to deduct from all the values, so we can get this type of table over here. Next what we have to check, we have to check all the column contains 0 or not. Here row 1, here column 1 contains 0, column 2 didn't contain 8, 3 and 5 contain 0, 2 and 4 haven't 0. So what we have to do in rule 2, we have to do a column reduction. In column reduction we have to take the minimum value and do subtraction. So that is our step 2. In column reduction we have to do 0. Right? So in next step what we have to do, we have to assign our work or assign a batsman on that batting positions by marking a square. So we can get like this. Here we have to give one marking. So what we have to do after marking, if that respective column and respective row contains a 0 other than the marking, we have to do cross mark over here. Like we have to assign this 0 as work, means batsman B position 1. So at batsman C never come at position 1, right? So we have to put a cross mark over here, and in that respective row, that is a no any 0 is there. So next we have to assign here, we can get 0 D at 3 positions, so we have to eliminate this 0 and this 0. Why we have to cancel out a 0? Because one batsman go only one positions, they never go to the other positions, like as point D, they as point D, batsman goes only position 3. Same on position 4, that is not possible to go, right? So in next step, at point A, we have to put over here marking, so we can get in that respective column 3, we have also 1 0, we have to cross mark over here. Now we can give here one assign work is there, so this 0 is cancelled out, and the last at point A we can give a 0. So here 5 positions are there, 5 batsmen are there, but we have to, but only if we have assigned 4 allocation. So what we have to do next here? So in next procedure, we have take a tick marking procedure over here. So what is a tick marking procedure? We did in the last lecture, mark, tick mark, write the rows that don't have the assignments. So here D row, here C row haven't assignments, so we have to put tick mark over here. Next step, the same, we have to tick mark on the respective column which contains 0, means that is our this column. And next, what we have to do in step 2, we have to put that, we have to put next tick mark on assigned work. So we have to put all three mark. What is the next procedure? We have to make lines over here on unmark, on, we have to draw lines on unmarked rows and mark columns. So here unmarked rows are row 1, that is A batsman, D batsman and E batsman. So we have to put here 3 lines over here, and mark column is only 1, so we can give over here. So we can get 40, 12, 14, 4, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Different 8 values are there. So what we have to do, we have to take the minimum value among the 8 value and subtract from others, and that value we can add on intersection of the lines. So we have to subtract that 4 element as a uncover element. So 40 minus 4, that is the value 10. 40 minus 12, that is the value 8. 40 minus 4, that is the value 10. 4 minus 4, that is the 0. Same thing here. 12 minus 4, that is the 8. 8 minus 4, that is the 4. 6 minus 4, that is 2, and last one is 0. Now we can add that 4 on the intersection of lines, means point 8. We can add 8 plus 4, that is a 12. Next intersection point here 19. 19 plus 4, 23. And next intersection 11. 11 plus 4, that is a 50. So we can get a new table over here. Now we can assign our batting position to the batsman. First we assign here at 2, so we eliminate another respective zeros. Next step, what we have to do, we have to assign at point B over here. So next we have to eliminate that 0 in that respective row and column. Next we have to provide here, so next position we have to provide here, so eliminate here and provide this. So here all the 5 assignments are assigned to the batsman to the batting positions. See one thing here, here we can give assignment over here, so we cancel out this. Also we can give assignment over here and cancel out others. So that is the batting position of D and E batsmen may be interchanged, and that is known as a multiple optimal solution. So this problem contains a different multiple optimal solution. This is the option 1 over here, so we can get answer as, this is the option 1 over here, so we can get answer as 46, 48, 49, 43 and 45 we can assign a batting position to the batsman for maximizing a run. We can get 231 runs over here. The batting positions of D at 3 position and batsman E goes at 4 positions. We can interchange over here. D goes at 4 position and E goes for 3rd positions. So we can get a different batting location or we can get different batting positions to the batsman for D and E, but the answer is the same as a 231 runs. So suppose we have to go batsman A at 2nd position, B at 1st position, C at 5 position, D at 3 and E at 4 position. So we can get a maximization run over here. Clear? So that is the maximization problem. Simple what we have to do in maximization. First we have to check the tables in maximization form. We have to select one maximum value among all the tables value. We can minimize. We can make a minimization table after subtracting the maximum value from all the values. So we can get a minimization table, and we have to do procedure as per the assignment problem. Means first one is a row reduction, second is a column reduction, third to assign a work. If in assignment any one row or column didn't contain any allocation or assignments, then we have to follow a tick marking procedure, and then after we make one assignment and find out the answer, that is a maximization or a minimization. Clear? Next topic is traveling salesman problem. It is a very useful problem. I give you an example of Amazon delivery boy. Amazon delivery boy have a different packages or different delivery at a different place. So what he decide to start a nearest location or a farthest location, but he start from the Amazon delivery office and go for the different place and give one circle, make one circle and return to that Amazon office only. So what did he do? Suppose one Amazon office is located in a satellite. So delivery boy start that delivery from satellite, and at different location they provide, means total we have to take 5 locations are there. Suppose at point delivery to satellite office, suppose he have one packet delivered to the Solar, one different packets delivered to Sivaranjani, one different packet delivered to satellite, one different packet delivered to Prahlad Nagar, and last one is delivered to ISKCON. So what he did to start that delivery from Sivaranjani to Solar to Prahlad Nagar, and Prahlad Nagar to satellite, and make one circle. So he decide that his way in form of a circular way. So simple, we have taken another example like as a school van. School van always start from farthest of the school. They pick up the students or teachers from the last point to the nearest point. At last they come to the point. So we will take one example over here for traveling salesman problem for the easy explanation over here. So here one example is given. The school wants to pick up a students from 5 different area, and cost in rupees of going from one area to the another area in table, and find out the optimal route to the bus driver such that no repetition of the area comes before picking up students. Means we have to make one closed loop 0 here. We didn't repeated our location. Means we start from point 1, so never point 1 to 1 is here, so we have to put 0. Means we start from 1, so at one point it's not possible to come return, So 8.10 we have to put 220, 330, 440 and 550. Here we start one problem. What we have to do, simple, we have to put dash mark over here at 0, means bus driver never go to that respective areas. So what we have to do, simple, we have to make a row reduction over here. This is an assignment problem only, but in a different way. So what is the row reduction? In row reduction, what we have to do, we have to put we have to take a minimum value and subtract from all the values. We can get this table, means minimum value is equal to 20, 20 minus 30, that is 10, 40 and 60 over here. Same thing in second row, 30 is the minimum value. So we can get this table. What is the next step? We have to check all the columns contain 0 or not. So column 3 didn't contain the 0, haven't a 0. Column 3 haven't a 0. So what is the next step? That is column reduction over here. We have to make one table of column reduction. Now we give a allocation. We give a assign. Means at point 1, bus driver go to the 5 area. Matlab number of area is not 5, but location 5 area. Suppose there is a X area. Give assign in here. So what we have to do? Select bus route. Bus route, select first one. Next, second. Cancel out here. Second, go to the third. Third one go to the fourth, and fourth one go to the second, and fifth one go to the one. So here one thing is there. Here one thing is there. Bus driver go to the position 5, and from position 5 it goes to the 1. That is a closed loop. Make a closed loop without going to the others area. So that is not a perfect route for the traveling. So we have to minimize again this table into the minimization. Sorry. We have to subtract another value from the tables and find out the best bus route over here. So what is the next? Simple. This is the way. Minimum route here 1 to 5, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 2 and 5 to 1. So here 1 to 5 and 5 to 1. There is a closed cycle made and without going to the another 3 areas. So cost is equal to 180 rupees. So but they didn't cover all the area. So in next table here the bus driver has to go back to the starting point before completing the circular route. So what is the next? For optimum value we can take the next minimum value for the allocating a route. So next minimum value in that respective row is a 10. For optimum, so we can take next minimum value for allocating a route. Means after 0 the minimum value is equal to 10. So from 10 we give the allocation, assign a route. Here one assignment I give a one assignment over here, cancel out this 0 and this 0. In second point we have to assign over here, cancel out this point and this point over here, right? In third point 0. At fourth point we have to give at point 10, and at fifth point we have to give over here. So now check. 1 point bus driver go to the second area, then second area to third area to fourth area to fifth area, and then fifth area to first area. Means he make one closed loop with considering or with going to the all the areas over here. So we can take original value over here to find out the minimum route as 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5 n. Cost is equal to 200 rupees. Means here cost is increasing 180 to 200 rupees. But in last consideration he only pick up at point 1 and pick up point 5 area. He didn't go to area 2, 3 and 4. So that is a very loss of school. At the area 2, 3, 4 and 5 students, they never come or never reach to the school. So the minimum route here over here to make a closed loop 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 1 over here. The cost is equal to 200 rupees. Clear? This has another route called the multiple option. This has another route also. This is the one route over here, and this route we have to give another location over here, so we can get a different value that is known as a multiple option value. So we can check in next table. This problem has another route called the multiple option. So here we have give one assignment over here, we deduct this. We have to give here assignments, so it will deduct. We have to give 2 to 3 in last lecture. Now we have to give 2 to 5. Next 3, 4 to give this assignments and this. So what is the route for the minimization? So bus route 1 to 2. What is the bus route? Bus route 1 to 2 is 2 is 5, 3, 4, 4 and 5 is 1. Ultimately start and make one circular road to completing or covering all the areas. The value is same, 200 rupees. Keep in mind a different multiple option, different route are there, different betting positions are there, but ultimately the answer is only one. It is always a constant. It may possible to make a different route over here, different betting positions over here, but the main aim, the cost is a constant value, means it never change. At different position, at different bus route, the value is fixed. Clear? So simple traveling bear salesman problem. Simple we have to consider, we have to take or we have to assign that route in form of to make one circular route after covering all the areas. Clear? So this is the completion of assignment and transportation model. Thanks.